As a caring cat owner, it's important to know how to provide first aid in case of an emergency. In this video, we'll discuss 15 first aid tips for cat owners. Number 1. Recognize the signs of shock. Cats can go into shock for so many reasons, such as a traumatic injury, severe blood loss, or anaphylactic shock. Signs of shock include rapid heart rate, shallow breathing, pale gums, and lethargy. If you notice any of these signs, keep your cat warm, quiet, and calm while transporting them to the vet. Number 2. Make a cat first aid kit. A cat first aid kit is an essential item for any cat owner. It must include items like gauze, bandages, hydrogen peroxide, a digital thermometer, and a pair of scissors. Be sure to store the kit in an easily accessible location. Number 3. Learn how to clean and treat wounds. Cats are prone to getting scratches and cuts. It's important to clean the wound with saline solution and cover it with a sterile bandage. Do not use hydrogen peroxide or alcohol, as they can damage the tissues. Number 4. Handle cat bites and scratches carefully. Cat bites and scratches can easily become infected. If you get bitten or scratched, clean the wound with soap and water and apply an antibiotic ointment. Seek medical attention if you notice redness, swelling, or discharge from the wound. Number 5. Know how to help a choking cat. If your cat is choking, try to remove the object using your fingers or a pair of tweezers. If that doesn't work, perform the Heimlich maneuver by giving quick and firm abdominal thrusts. Number 6. Treat your cat for poisoning. If you suspect that your dear cat has ingested poison, seek veterinary care immediately. Do not induce vomiting or give any home remedies, as it can worsen the situation. Number 7. Recognize the signs of heat stroke. Cats can easily get overheated in hot weather. Signs of heat stroke include panting, drooling, vomiting, and collapse. Move your cat to a cooler area, offer them water, and place a wet towel on their head while transporting them to the vet. Number 8. Handle eye injuries with care. If your cat has an eye injury, do not attempt to treat it yourself. Keep your cat calm and seek veterinary care immediately. Number 9. Deal with fractures and broken bones. If you find that your cat has got a fracture or broken bone, immobilize the affected area and seek veterinary care immediately. Do not attempt to set the bone yourself, as it can cause further damage. Number 10. Know how to help a seizuring cat. If your cat is having a seizure, move them to a quiet area and remove any objects that may cause harm. Do not attempt to restrain your cat or put anything in their mouth. Seek veterinary care immediately. Number 11. Learn how to perform CPR. If your cat has stopped breathing or has no heartbeat, you may need to perform CPR. Remember to call your vet or animal hospital before attempting CPR. Number 12. Prevent and treat cat heatstroke. Cats can easily get overheated in hot weather. Prevent heatstroke by providing shade and plenty of water. If your cat shows signs of heatstroke, move them to a cooler area and offer them water. Number 13. Learn how to identify signs of dehydration. Dehydration is a serious condition that can lead to organ failure. Signs of dehydration in cats include dry gums, loss of skin elasticity, and lethargy. If you suspect your cat is dehydrated, offer them water and seek veterinary care. Number 14. Recognize the symptoms of urinary blockage. Male cats are prone to urinary blockages, which can be life-threatening if left untreated. Signs of urinary blockage include straining to urinate, vocalization while urinating, and blood in the urine. Take your cat to the vet immediately when you notice any of these symptoms. Number 15. Know how to safely transport your injured cat. If you need to transport your injured cat to the vet, use a carrier or a cardboard box. Be sure to secure the carrier or box in your car to prevent it from sliding around. Keep your cat calm during the ride and avoid sudden movements. The best way to transport your injured cat is to use a carrier or a cardboard box. This will help to keep your cat contained and would also prevent them from moving around too much during transport. If you're using a cardboard box, make sure it's sturdy and has ventilation holes. In this video, we discussed 15 first aid tips for cat owners. Remember, these tips are not a substitute for veterinary care, but they can help you provide immediate assistance until you can get your cat to the vet. As a responsible cat owner, it's important to be prepared for emergencies and know how to provide first aid to your feline friend.